Yo, what's up, guys? So today we're going to be cleaning a keyboard. I'm going to start doing more IRL content just because games are boring. But anyways, so this keyboard, it's really nice. I give it a 9 out of 10, but the keycaps are kind of, it would be flawless, but the keycaps aren't really shine through, or barely, kind of. But as you can see, it's like pretty much white and see-through at the same time. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you guys how it looks in the dark. It looks kind of clean, but it's really nasty. I've used it for about a year now. So here, all right, as you can see, it's like a nasty thing here. It's pretty dirty. I'm just gonna show you an easy way to clean a keyboard. It's a really nice keyboard. It's just dirty. I need to clean it. But yeah, let's get to that. I'm gonna take off the keycaps and show you how it looks, how everything looks under it. All right, boys, I got the keycaps off. This is pretty much it. It's nasty. I haven't really cleaned it. Gonna go in depth on cleaning it because it splits in half. So I'm gonna take this apart too. And here are the keycaps. But yeah, if you're wondering, these are silent reds. They're pretty nice. Pretty nice. 60%. Also, I do not recommend using a keyboard or recommend taking these off with your hand. It's pretty painful. Like my hand is this big and I was trying to get in between and grab them and it just wasn't the best idea. But yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna put these in the water and get to cleaning this part. Oh, before I forget, this is pretty much all you're gonna need to clean your keyboard. So we got Gain soap, pretty much any liquid soap for the water, Q-tips to get into the small spaces. This is to wipe down like anything besides the keycaps, pretty much. And you start with this to get all the little dust off. So yeah, now let's get it. All right, I don't know what happened to my camera, but here are the keycaps and the water is pretty much overflowing. You just get you some warm to cold water, put soap in it, and then just push them in. And you kind of have to, let me turn this off. Kind of have to like swish them around to make sure, like kind of massage them or something. Just to make sure that they're getting clean completely. But yeah, that's about it for the washing part. You leave them here for about 15-20 minutes. And yeah, like let them clean. Alright, so they've been in here for about 15 minutes and the water's kind of going out, but they are clean, really clean. Also, I forgot to mention, find an old toothbrush. It's gonna come in handy when you're cleaning out your actual keyboard, not the keycaps. But yeah, let's get these to dry and start working on the keyboard. All right, boys, so make sure you have your keycaps laid out flat to where the logo is showing, because most keycaps, they're designed to where, like, I guess it opens up towards the bottom, so the water in the inside will just drop towards your towel. Make sure you get something to dry it on. But yeah, they're pretty nice. Now they're just drying, all clean, all done. Now we're over to the keyboard. All right, so look, now we have this. If this doesn't work, so let's say you have like dirt in here that's just hard to get out without dusting. Like I pretty much went over it, pretty much. Now, if that doesn't work, then this is where your old toothbrush comes in handy, and you just basically go in the cracks and you just kind of release the dirt and then you spray it again. But if this doesn't work, you take your Clorox wipes and that's when you wipe it down, then you go in with your brush, let it dry, then spray it. So all of these things, and then these also, You can wet these, so like you can put them against the wipe and they'll get wet, and you just go in and scrub. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna clean this and then show y'all the after product. Alright boys, so she's pretty much all clean. All clean pretty much. I think I did a good job. Remember, these are Silent Red, 60%. Walmir K66, by the way. Took about a month to ship. I haven't done a review on it, but this is really nice. So now we're just gonna add back on the keycaps and we should be done. It's pretty nice and clean. Alright boys, it's super clean. Really, really nice. All done. Really clean. Really, really clean. A little sound test. Silent Reds. Sound test. 60% Walmir K66, by the way. It's really nice. Really, really clean. Super clean. Didn't take long at all. Remember to clean your keyboards. Keep it sanitary. It's not a dust mark or anything inside. No hair or anything on this. Really, really clean. Now I'm gonna plug it up and show y'all what it looks like powered up. Sound test. Yeah, pretty much super, super clean. Oops. Here she is, turned on. Really, really, really nice keyboard. Really nice keyboard. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, sub for more content.